The MLCS drill press table is the best accessory for any drill press, adding a ton of functionality, precision, and repeatability. This setup is super easy. Included in the package are the tabletop, fence, stop block, and mounting hardware. There are 5 total bolt and knob sets, 2 large partially threaded, 2 medium with full thread, and 1 small bolt and knob. Start with the medium length bolts and insert them into the track on the bottom of the table. Now you're ready to place your MLCS drill press table onto your drill press by placing it on top of the stock table and slide the bolts through the opening in the table. To secure the MLCS drill press table to the stock table, slide the hold down clamp on each of the bolts, followed by a washer, then a knob. Included with the drill press table is also a fence with insert T-track and a stop block to give you perfect setup. To install, take the 2 longest bolts and insert them into the T-track on the top of the table. Slip the fence on top of the bolts and secure them with a washer and knob. These knobs allow you to adjust the position of the fence. The final short bolt gets placed onto the T-slot on the fence. Slip your stop block over the bolt and secure it with a washer and knob, which allows you to adjust the stop block. You may insert the removable and replaceable square insert, but this is of course optional. The MLCS drill press table features 2 T-tracks, allowing for the use of our T-track hold downs as shown that you can purchase separately, or even clamps, stops, a jig, and our multi-axis sled work. The table also has 2 inset rollers, allowing for extreme precision in your set while keeping the table flat and smooth. The MLCS drill press table, now available at MLCSwoodworking.com and EagleAmerica.com. Get yours today!